know why this thing keeps coming on.
Mom's happy.
Yeah.
Dogs are happy. Yeah. We had a little campsite at the Loves. Water, electric, dog park, happy dogs, happy wife, happy life.
Hello. Okay, so we've had a lot of people ask us, lots of our friends and family have asked us how we spend so much time together when traveling and being in a rig and living in a tiny house. So we do our own thing a lot of the times. Johnny's out on a hike right now. We're in Branson, Missouri, and he's out hiking that 400-step hike trail and steps. And I decided to stay back because I had a bunch of laundry to do. We're fixing to go boondocking. We're going to be staying in a Cracker Barrel tomorrow night, and then we're going to be staying in a state park the next night, and then we're going to be staying on the wall in the Badlands. So I needed to get a bunch of stuff done and have a little bit of me time, have some wine, have some crackers, get dinner ready. And he really wanted to get out because we're in Branson, Missouri, and it's really cool here. So he wanted to go do that, and I stayed behind. But we do a lot of things separately. He likes the Game of Thrones, and I'm not a big fan of that show. I like Friends and and uplifting stuff. So we do, and Cheers. I love Cheers too. That's one of my faves. But so like I'll lay in bed in my pajamas and like eat a cookie or have a glass of wine or something like that in my PJs, and I'll watch Friends and he'll be watching his man shows. And we do it. It works. Sometimes we're in the car together. Like we'll listen to different Audible stuff, or we'll listen to a book together. But we have fun. I guess you have to really get along with your person, your significant other, spouse, whatever. You have to really get along with that person in order to have this lifestyle and groove in this lifestyle. But you also have to take care of yourself, and you have to have you time. And we did us time in a house too. We didn't sit on the couch every single night, and we had our own things going on, and our own likes and our own dislikes. So, it is what it is. So I just figured I would just share that with you guys. He's out hiking, I'm drinking wine and eating crackers, and probably gonna turn on some Friends or Cheers here in a minute. So have a great night, and I'll see you later.
Alright, so I came out to this little hike. It's like 380 steps or something. And that's, I don't know, it's like 2 miles round trip or something, but it's got 380 steps, which I thought would be good. I thought it'd be fun. Break a little sweat maybe. Gotta get moving. Gotta keep moving. Never stop. It's pretty cool. Really well marked. It's nice. It's pretty. Boy, I wish Maggie was here. She had stuff to do. But if I got service down there, which I'm sure I do, I'm going to FaceTime her and show her some things. Yeah. All right, cool.
Good morning.
We are at a secret location. Won't be for long. So we just wanted to finish up that video we did the other day about how we separated. I went for a hike and all that. And the FaceTime, I hit record screen, but it doesn't record your voice.
No.
So, anyways.
It doesn't. impressive.
Yeah. So, anyways, I made it back alive. Obviously, her plan didn't work.
Yeah.
So.
And I didn't drink all the wine in all the land when he was gone. I promise.
No. So that was fun. But we. Next. So this Thursday we're gonna share our St. Augustine experience.
Yeah.
And we're on our way out west, the wild, wild west. But check this out. Look at this. We are in a campground, and it's $35 a night.
A state park in Sioux Falls.
Yeah.
And it is
amazing.
Breathtaking.
I think these guys need to
Awestruck wonder.
look at them.
Do you guys like it?
Yeah?
You like it? They like it. They approve. Dog approved.
All right, so Thursday, St. Augustine video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Ding! Doc doggies. Doc doggies. Doc babies. Dad, he might not like this.
All right.
Yeah.
That's going on YouTube.